Types of Roots or Solutions, otherwise known as x-intercepts, by Brian, Paul, and Alyssa.
The discriminant. It is the part of the quadratic formula that determines how many solutions a quadratic will have. As shown below, the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. The discriminant specifically is b squared minus 4ac.
If the discriminant is negative, the quadratic will have no real solutions, or it will have two imaginary roots or solutions. An example of this is y equals x squared plus 2. To continue on doing that math, 0 minus 4 times 2 times 1, which leaves your discriminant at negative 8, as shown on the graph.
The discriminant is positive and it is a perfect square. It will have two real rational roots. This makes it that it means that the x-intercept will be at a real number such as 1, 3, but not, for example, 1/2. An example of this is x squared plus x minus 2. The discriminant for this is 1 minus 4 times negative 2 times 1. That, in total, makes your discriminant 9, which is a perfect square.
If the discriminant is positive, but not a perfect square, it will have two real irrational roots. An example of this is x squared minus 4x plus 2. To continue on doing your math, negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. You get 16 minus 8, which leaves your discriminant at 8. This graph is pictured below.
If discriminant is 0, it has one real rational root, or one real rational double root, because the roots are the exact same. An example of this is x squared minus 2x plus 1, and it's based, with continuing onward, it is negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1, or it is 4 minus 4, and the discriminant is 0. So it only intersects the x-axis once, as shown in the graph.
Thanks for watching. Henry the Hippo says goodbye.